I think living labs are very good instrument, method, vehicle, platform, call it what you want, to drive systemic change, because you engage multiple stakeholders and you learn by doing, you do by learning. So I think it's a very important part of the puzzle to transitioning to a more sustainable world.
Systemic change means the change of the systems. We have many systems in the society, but this is one system particularly important, is the innovation systems. And we should specialize in opening this innovation system to everyone. This is our mission. I call that the Living Lab missions.
Societal challenges that should be at the first front of our occupation, and it's not just to have the user-centric solutions for climate neutrality or sustainability, but it's to have the users consuming this innovation and make them part of creating the cities and the regions of the future. Living labs are the only framework and the methodology that grows together with the challenges and develops together with the challenges and makes these complex ecosystems to be together to achieve better future cities for our societies.
First of all, living labs are an opportunity to give voice to the typical voiceless, which means that they reflect upon the challenges, the real-life setting challenges. They are user-centric, so they give a voice to all of the citizens that are willing to take part in consulting exercises, in co-design and co-creation.
From my experience, which has been more than 10 years, as a living labber, of course, is actually adding value. But adding value means actually adding value through innovative solutions that actually help the stakeholders or the users of these solutions to become better, healthier or economically well, and to contribute to the society's well-being overall.
It was also mentioned by the keynote speaker that is trust. It's about building trust, which takes a lot of effort, but then it makes the community. And if you have a community that everybody trusts each other, then it's the work of the living lab has been done.
Well, we had global participation in our OLND, more than 46 countries, many African countries, and we see that there is more and more the need to be present in all the different continents. And also, as always, the key message is the strength of the network is the network and the people in the network. And we are having really amazing contribution, amazing session from our practitioners, community, researchers, and living labs.
I think that is a very good event to meet old friends, new friends, let's say people that like the field of living labs, people that like to understand what kind of projects we have been just developing and what will be the future and the trends of the future. So I think that Open Living Lab means for me also a kind of think tank of the living labs, but looking into the future, having a brilliant past as well.
The essence of a living labber is somebody who is an enthusiast, who knows his or her work, area of work. You have to be an expert on your field. It's not a hobby, it's a real job, but you have to do it in a very smooth way, hands-on, feet on the ground, have a bit of endurance. Sometimes it's a tough game, so you have to cope with that, but those are the nice people, and we meet them all here every year at the OL.
The essence of a living labber, for me, it's passion. It's about feeling and wanting to innovate in the best possible way, having the broader vision and stimulating people to do the same. I think that is really the essence, having a passion for what you do, but also not only a blind passion, but also having some frameworks and some tools to guide that passion and to guide the passion of others. I think that is what the Living Lab actually does.